Good morning, my YouTube family. I hope all of you are doing well. As you can see, we're in the process of switching out our refrigerator. Lots of motivation in this video, so I hope you guys are excited with what we have to share with you.
I am who I'm meant to be.
Nasty!
Dylan, those have to be sanitized, so just put them aside.
What? How many bolts are there?
So I could see how
About...
you
Yeah, clean that up, please. That's nasty.
Oh my goodness, you hear Dylan? Yeah, clean that up please, that's nasty. Such a character. As of right now, I'm standing behind the camera wearing a mask if y'all were wondering why you were watching Chris clean. I had to keep myself quarantined a week before my hysterectomy. No contact with other family and especially no contact with the outside. So I'm wearing my mask and staying clear of the gentlemen's while they switch out our refrigerators.
doubted all that I could do, knowing what I need to do. All I can say, the word is thank you. I think it's what you need to push away from the shore, amongst the waves, exactly where I wanna be. I am where I wanna be. Remember
Oh, look at it. Oh, it fits like a... Ah.
future needed clarity. Yes, I needed clarity, so I could see how you react.
Oh my God, it's beautiful. Míralo, mira. Ah.
Oh my God.
You see my son?
My kids are so goofy, just like their mother, but they're growing up too fast. Slow down, you know. Now that the fridge is in and set up, I'm disinfecting it with the Method antibacterial spray called Citron. Yeah, I believe that's it. I believe that's what it's called. So I'll wipe down the entire fridge before we start loading our food in it. Remember how I mentioned that I got my videos mixed up with posting? Well, this is one of them. This was a few days before my surgery. We had so much going on to prepare for that. However, as of today, I am 8 weeks post-op, all healed up, but still required to take it a little easy. I'm healed on the outside, but the inside is still a little sensitive. We're waiting for my sutures to fall out from the cuff. Overall, doing good physically and doing lots of work mentally to have a positive mind.
I want to clean my jugs.
Well, no, you've been not you read before.
Because you wouldn't want to.
You don't want to put dirty jugs in the fridge.
Hey, look, I landed. Look, I landed a Gatorade bottle.
Is it tall? Is it? Are you? Oh, yes. Awesome.
I got ketchup and spicy brown.
That's our family for ya. You've had enough of us yet? Well, too bad. You're stuck with us. While we load the fridge, I was cleaning every item because the other fridge was a bit dirty, so I didn't want to transfer that over. Meanwhile, we're just so impressed with the room and size of this refrigerator. Glad we're able to get a new one. Chris is just hilarious. Mid-slide, he had a dork face. He's too much. I'm now adding my little items back on the new fridge. Once I finished that, I now had to clean out the old fridge. It was very dirty, but glad that we won't be using this anymore. Oh, it was just so small and not enough room. We sold it to another couple, which was awesome and explains why I had to deep clean it. Now that the work is done with both refrigerators, we can tackle the mess in our kitchen. A few things here and there, taking down our spring decor to get ready for fall, but dishes will always be here. So many dishes, but no worries. I'll be loading the dishwasher and then washing the rest by hand of what I couldn't fit. You know what I've noticed during these videos I watch and edit? I have been in my sweats since March. You wake up, get dressed for the day, and don't dress up. I just put on my sweats and call it a day since we can't go anywhere due to the COVID-19 still. So you might as well be comfortable in your home. What about you ladies? Oh, and don't mind my huge pile of duck eggs on the floor or on the counter. You're probably like, holy crap, that's a lot of eggs. I know. I'm getting to it today because I have orders to fill and I have to make breakfast for my kiddos.
Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky.
What you doing back there?
Fixing something real solid.
We can be alone in the castle in the sky.
We can run away and leave this world behind.
You got the right shoes on. fingers are slick.
Won't you take me home?
Love my husband dearly. He's so goofy, so loving, and he can fix anything. Literally anything, you guys. The gentleman who had brought in the fridge didn't hook up the water tube properly. If we had turned it on, we would have flooded our fridge. Yeah, no joke. So Chris is always doing things himself and not trusting anyone or the guarantee that they give. Unfortunately, you can't these days now. So you either do it yourself or go behind them to check the work that's been done. Thank you for spending the afternoon with us. We really appreciate you being here and being a part of our YouTube family. Hope you got tons of motivation from this, you guys. Please consider subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up before you leave. Comment and share with others. This will really help out my channel. Then head over to Instagram, Life on the Savage Farm, and follow me there as well. We share Insta stories and other photos you don't see here on YouTube. Again, thank you so much for watching. So I guess I will see you guys again right back here with a brand new video. Bye.